Alright, so in this video I am attempting to do a DIY diff breather mod. But sadly, the mic did not record, and here I am doing a voiceover. What a diff breather mod is taking off the factory breather and running a line from that up behind the tail light. Why people do this is that the factory diff breather are known for getting stuck and causing excess buildup of pressure in the axle, what ultimately can end with a blown out axle seal. And they can also get stuck open, which if you ever do a water crossing can allow water getting into your axle and mixing the oil. What you want to do first is clean the surface area very well to prevent any chances of getting dirt inside your axle mixing with the oil. I used brake cleaner and a toothbrush and just scrubbed it and then used a rag, wiped it all down. Next, I took two flathead screwdrivers, put it underneath the breather cap, and pried up gently until it deformed the cap to come off. So I had a 3/8 line in my garage and I checked that over the factory diff breather and it fit. So I ran to my local O'Reilly's and got 6 feet of their 3/8 line, a cheap fuel filter, and 2 hose clamps to clamp the line to the factory diff breather and then the line to the fuel filter. I already owned some hose clamps and fuel filters. I wanted to get a more accurate price of how much it all costs. And I also did not shop around. I'm sure going to other stores you could find it cheaper, and using not as high quality of hose line would work as well. So to get the tail light off, there are two 10mm bolts inside where the tailgate latch is. Pull those out, and then there are two clips that hold the light in after that, and you just kind of pull as hard and gentle as you can. It doesn't feel great all the time, but it just pops out and your taillight will come out. After that, you can see I already ran the hose up from down below and put the fuel filter on and just snugging up a hose clamp on that. After that, I did zip tie that fuel filter to the wire harness. After you have that fuel filter secured, you could run your line down to the axle, and you can see here I am just clamping that on to the factory breather. Big thing with that is you want to make sure you leave enough line there, or you have enough line for the travel as it extends that it won't rip it off. I made sure I had more slack than the brake line does, and you can see the routing that I did along the frame up through the taillight. I did use zip ties to secure it. Now I went this route because I didn't want to order something online and have to wait. I wanted to see what I could get from local stores and just get it done. It's a little bit cheaper than some of the kits I saw online. One of the biggest issues I see is possibly it coming off the factory diff breather mount. I know the ones you get online have a longer barbed surface, so maybe in the future I will swap that out. But other than that, that's it. $37. Got it same day, all installed. Thanks for watching.